How to see who follows you on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see who follows you on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. Here you will see the option for My Public Profile. Tap on that. Now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the amount of followers that you have in your profile. However, you cannot see the name of your followers in here, so go back and scroll down and tap on the My Friends option now. Your followers are the friends that have added you on Snapchat and you have added them back. So if you scroll here, all these people in here are your followers. Also go back and tap on Add Friends. You will also see some of your followers in this tab right here. Under the Added Me section, you will see the people who have followed you and you have not followed them back. You can either accept their request or decline their request depending on your preference, and this is how you can see who follows you on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.